Hi, I'm the BBQ Butcher. In today's video, we're going to be making one of my favorite dinners of all time, a chicken Kiev. So what we've got is a size 18 chicken, and we're going to turn this bad boy into a really cool dinner. So what we're going to start off with first is trim off all the neck skin. We don't need that. We're going to take off the legs. We're going to do semi-boneless legs. We've got other videos coming out that'll show you how to make some cool other chicken dishes with different cuts off the thigh. So straight down there, and again I'll show you here, you can see straight down there. Get your two fingers, and on its hip bones you're going to feel them under there. Click one out, click the other one out, and then spin them over, and we're going to scoop out all this cool meat here off the thigh. Follow your knife down. Again, we've got a thigh and a chicken drumstick. And do the same on this side. Scoop it there, down, out. And again here, we're going to cut and break at the same time, just to get this off, because we don't need it. Off, done. So what we've got here now is the barrel. And this is where we're going to get the chicken breast with the wing, the bone on the end, and then we're going to do some magic with that. So again, get your knife, and we're going to go straight down, follow it down that bone. Can you see that bone? And get that there, click, push, and that'll bring out the rest of that bone. Get your knife, cut that excess meat off, and then on the other side, same again, down, run, done, push up. And again, what we're doing here, we've got the chicken barrel with its cool little bone sticking out. We're going to crumb it, so we need to get all the skin off so it sticks better to it. So you just grab that, like that, pull, and it'll just come off the double chicken breast, and you can see the breasts under the skin. Take that off, get all that skin off, and again, and come over the back here. We're going to do one line down the bone here and another line down that side. I'm just going to follow, and then inside here we're going to follow the wishbone. So straight down and up on the top here. So do an L, and then you're going to find the joint, and we don't want to, you're going to cut in the right place of the joint. And then here, that's the chicken tenderloin. Picking them up and slowly pull it out as you do. There you go. There's number one done. Number two, down that side. I spin it around and push that there. You got your chicken here. And slowly peel out the chicken breast. Remember the joint. Don't cut off the bone through the joint. Put it over there. And then we've got two here. If you've got excess skin, just cut that off. Don't want it there. And then in here you've got your chicken tenderloin. I always take off the tenderloins. Let's take off the chicken tenderloins because my son likes them. Now we're going to put some garlic butter inside the breast, and I'll show you how to make a really cool pocket for it. So what we're going to do is put the knife in, go that way, then go that way with the knife. So we've got a little hole at the beginning, but a bigger cave out the back. So what we're going to do is go in, slowly turn your knife over, so then we can get more in there, and then the butter doesn't come out. So big chunk, push it in. It just helps protect it in there. So when it's cooking, all the cool garlic stays in there. I love garlic. So, and now we're going to go. So grab the little wingtip with one hand. Save this hand so it doesn't get dirty with all the egg. So we've got flour into the flour first, then over to the egg, There we go. That's all done, and then we're going to come over to the pinko crumbs. Go 1, 2, and then if you missed a bit, use your other hand that hasn't got any other stuff on it, and just slowly fill in the gaps that you've missed. And then you've got a chicken Kiev ready for dinner. We've got garlic butter, one of my favourite dishes. So hope you really enjoyed that video. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you around soon.